In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your computer can update to Windows 11. With this simple guide, you'll be able to determine whether your device is ready to embrace all the new features and improvements that Windows 11 has to offer. This process is straightforward and shouldn't take much time, so let's get started. First, head over to your computer's Start menu. You can do this by clicking on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen, or simply pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of applications and options available to you. Among these, you'll want to locate and click on Settings. The Settings app is a hub for customizing your Windows experience, and it's where you'll find tools for managing various aspects of your system. Once in the settings, navigate to Update and Security. This section contains all the options related to updating your system and ensuring it is secure against vulnerabilities. Click on it and you will find the option for Windows Update. It's essential to keep this area in mind, as it's a good practice to regularly check for and install system updates that enhance security and functionality. After selecting Windows Update, you'll see the option to Check for Updates. Go ahead and click this button. What this does is prompt your computer to search for any available updates from Microsoft servers. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. If your device is eligible for the Windows 11 update, a message will display indicating that Windows 11 is ready for installation. Don't worry if you don't see this right away, as it may take a moment to appear. This message is your confirmation that your hardware meets the necessary specifications and that your system can handle the upgrade without issues. If the message appears, you'll be presented with an option to Download and Install. Click this option if you're ready to begin the upgrade process, and from there, your computer will start downloading the Windows 11 files and proceed with the installation. This might take some time, so ensure your device is plugged into a power source and that your data is backed up, just to be on the safe side. By following these steps, you've successfully checked if your computer can update to Windows 11. If you're eligible, you're just a few clicks away from enjoying a brand new operating experience with Windows 11. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other content for more tech tips and tutorials.